Our next tool is the hand grabber tool. Alright. It's a grabber. You click, mouse click, and press, and you just move it around. Right? Just play around with it, right? Now, what the function of this is really for navigating through a score. So this may not show exactly how much use it would have, but I'm gonna try and bring up something I have here that is of a much larger nature than that. So in going through the score, you're scrolling down, finding a certain bar. Instead of having to be clicking and getting at a particular spot, you could simply navigate through the piece of music that you have in a faster way, right? Moving it in all directions anywhere that you would want to navigate. So that's your hand grabber tool. Straightforward.